Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video of the lip swatches. Today I'm going to be doing the swatches of the Vaten liquid lipsticks. I have about 10 shades. I bought like half of them and then the half of them got delivered to me or sent to me by the brand itself. So I'm going to swatch this and I hope you enjoy it. Also, I'm already wearing one shade, which is this color. It's the shade 09 light red. So I'm already wearing it, and the rest of the 9 swatches I'll be doing in a while.
The playing with my mind, gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. I really hope you liked the swatches. They're available on Amazon and Noon, I think. I'm not sure about Noon, but they are available on Amazon and some outlets in Ajman. So I would end this video by, I don't know, saying I don't know what. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the swatches, and if you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. And do not forget to ring the bell icon. Also, if you guys wanna see the tutorial of this eye look, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link my handle in the video or in the description bar. So let's be friends.